Good morning, students. I am Vetri Chervi from Vetri and Vetri Neat Chemistry. Today I am going to give the video for organic chemistry, how to prepare organic chemistry. That is in English medium. Okay, let us see today lesson is hydrocarbon. If your children, if you are taking hydrocarbon, mean it is divided into 4 categories. One is alkane, alkene, alkyne and benzene. For each topic you have to prepare preparation of alkane, alkene, and this preparation only itself you are having 26 reactions. So based on that one, today I am going to give how to prepare the road map for you for the preparation of alkanes. Let us see the content now. You have to prepare one, take this paper like this, one tablet column you have to put it with the heading of serial number, name of the reaction, reagents, example reactions, mechanism or important point. Like that you are having the that is called 5 columns. You have to make it ready. Let us see the first. So first you have to focus on the reagent. Okay, what is the reagent? It is hydrogen in presence of nickel. It is called as a Sabatier and Sanderson reaction, or it is the reduction. The nickel is specially called as a Rani nickel. The temperature, that is higher temperature. Okay, if it is the reagent mean, it is understood your mind should think about Sabatier Sanderson and what is the condition. Reaction example is given. Triple bond is changes into double bond to single bond, that is called the ethane from the ethyne. So this reaction you have to keep it in the mind. So next let us, so like that each reaction you have to prepare. I am going to the second reaction in which the reagent is, you thorough the reagent, focus on reagent first. Hydrogen in presence of palladium or platinum or nickel. So this is the catalyst. So simple reduction is given. Now think about the reaction. What is the name of the reaction? This is reduction. What is a specialist? It follows the cis addition or the syn addition. So hydrogen with this reagent. So this is, you have to conclude it is the cis. So let us go to the equation is given. The propene with the reagent, it gives cis. What is the meaning of cis? Mean addition across the double bond in a cis. That is called similar groups or same side. So because of this reagent you are getting the product of cis. Now what is the remaining important point is this reaction follows the adsorption mechanism. That means on the catalyst the hydrogen, molecular hydrogen forming atomic hydrogen, it is resulted as the product. That is the adsorption mechanism with the knowledge of heterogeneous catalysis. This point you have to study it in the surface chemistry. Now we are coming to the next important point is this reaction rate is inversely proportional to the size. This is the point. How they will ask me, in the given alkene or alkyne, instead of hydrogen, the R number is increases, mean rate is decreases. By that it can be evaluated. Now let us go to the next reaction, reagent. Sodium in liquid ammonia, or instead of sodium, either it can be a lithium or potassium. Important point is sodium with liquid ammonia. What is this? In direction it gives addition across the bond in that transposition. So sodium in presence of liquid ammonia, the product is resulted as a trans. So like that you have to make it ready. Now I am giving here same propene is there. So here what is happening? The sodium, it is the electropositive, it gives one electron. The electron is approaching here, it is follows the free radical mechanism. So one of the pi bond is cleaved homolytic cleavage and both carbon atom having one free radical. So the incoming electron combining here and forming a lone pair on the carbon atom also. So both are repel each other. So they are occupy the opposite position. So now the hydrogen is coming and joining here. Next for this again the sodium and hydrogen. Like that the addition follows the across the double bond in opposite side. That is called the trans addition, or it can call it as a anti-addition takes place. This is in presence of sodium and liquid ammonia. In addition to the liquid ammonia, some places they are giving as a additional of methyl alcohol also. So this methyl alcohol they are giving as a sodium in the liquid ammonia dissolved in alcohol. That is additional information. they are giving a force. This is to confuse us. Don't worry about the role of methyl alcohol. Now this is the important point, is follows the free radical mechanism, the point already I have insisted. So now what you have to compare is same propene based on the reagent cis based on this sodium liquid ammonia gives strand. So this is the place it can be what is called ask the question. Now I am giving the example for this type of the knowledge. First question is but1ene may be converted into the butane by reaction with. First let us write what is but1ene. There is the 4 carbon atom after 1 carbon. This is but1ene. So what they want is they want butane. So what is indicates it is simply addition, that is the reduction. You follow all of the reducing reagent. The options are there. Tin and hydrochloric acid, this is related with the nitro compound lesson. These two are reducing reagent, not the double bond. Here it is the double bond. For us, double bond means we are having one is what is called reduction hydrogen in the catalyst or the reduction of sodium with the liquid ammonia. These two things are available regarding this topic. So now related with the knowledge is here palladium, there is hydrogen in presence of palladium. So this is the correct option. Like that you have to select the option here. Now let us go to the next question. The main product of the reaction is, here the reaction is given one ring with the carbon triple bond carbon. Okay, this is the knowledge is reagent. Always you see first reagent. It is the liquid ammonia sodium in presence of alcohol. This is the point only I told, that is the dissolved alcohol. Sodium it follows the trend. This is the indication. Sodium. So come here. Here this is it follows the trend. That is called here one homolytic fission is take place. Both the carbon atom having free radical. That how you are getting the free radical is because sodium gives Na plus 1 electron. So this electron approaching as soon as it is approaching, pi bond cleavage takes place, formation of this bond cleaved and it gives the homolytic, that is free radical. Then this electron is coming here and what is happening on there, it is the hydrogen is added. So both electrons are together, so repulse, so it is occupying this position. So now here again from sodium another is coming. So like that you are having the addition of hydrogen in opposite direction. So this is the knowledge. Same time this hydrogen this double bond cannot be reduced. So with that knowledge we are approaching the problem, that is called the results. Here the hydrogen is what is called removed. So remove, these are the not answers. Here of course here the hydrogen is added, but it is the cis condition. Cis mean it is there for sodium liquid ammonia as the trans. So I am coming here. This is the trans where hydrogen is added in the trans position. So this is the option. Apart from that, that double bond is maintained inside as it is its original position. So what is the original position? You come and count with writing the number. Don't go any other way. This is the easiest method. 1, 2, 3. So on the third carbon atom double bond. Here come and verify. 1, 2, 3. On the what is called the carbon number 3 double bond. So this is the correct answer. With that we are concluding. Like that only they will test that knowledge is tested. Now we are going to the next remaining reactions, how you have to make it ready. We are going to see. This is only the remaining equation. Here one more reaction is here. So what is the liquid ammonia? The name reaction is given, that is Birch reduction. You make it important. Now let us see the next reduction of alkyl. Here you see reagent. Zinc and hydrochloric acid, zinc and the acetic acid and the lithium aluminum hydride. These are the reducing reagent. So it indicates reducing reagent but it is alkyl halide, very important. Reducing agent alkyl halide. Okay, now what other information is lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. These are also the reducing reagent of alkyl halide. First lithium aluminum hydride, primary and secondary answers were sodium, secondary and tertiary answer. This is further information and the reaction is very simple. Alkyl halide with the reduction, it gives the hydrocarbon. Here the knowledge is the zinc is followed with the alkyl halide. Okay, now we are moving to the next continuation of the topic is what is called sodium with a dry ether. It is understood instead of sodium, lithium or potassium, dry ether is the main knowledge. It indicates it is the Woods reaction, name reaction, you know. So remaining Woods reaction is very simple. So I am going and come. Here the important point is Woods reaction is Carbon with a minus, that is carbon anion is intermediate. So automatically anion is where tertiary is not stable. Okay, so tertiary alkyl halide is not answering the Woods, point number 1. Number 2, it can prepare the even number of carbon. Number 2. Number 3, methane cannot be prepared. So regarding Woods, these points are either new to you or it is the to be focused. Now coming to the next one, soda lime. What is soda lime? Of course, you know soda lime means already it is understood, it is the decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means you have to remove carbon dioxide, so it should be the acid, sodium salt of the acid. These are the known knowledge, of course. Here, what is the point I want to insist is here sodium acetate with the anhydrous condition. So here it is containing the carbon number 2 followed by the soda lime, that is 2 carbon minus 1. 1 carbon is removed as a carbon dioxide, 2 minus 1. So hydrocarbon is only 1 carbon, that is methane you are getting. Like that you have to find out acid minus 1 carbon is the product. So that is the point he has written 1 carbon less. So now we are moving to the next. What is written is sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid. That indicate it is the Coles electrolytic process. So now we are coming to the what is electrolytic process. It is the condition is it is aqueous condition. Same sodium acetate here anhydrous, it is aqueous. Followed by the electrolysis. How the product is coming is one, this group was approaching here, and it is the ethane, carbon dioxide and sodium. Sorry children, here what is the important point is methane cannot be prepared. Of course easy, hydrocarbon is formed at the anode. So what is the product is at the anode is hydrocarbon along with the carbon dioxide. This is the way they are asking, hydrocarbon plus carbon dioxide at anode. Note on this point, and then alkane with the even numbers are prepared. Okay, now we are moving to the next one. What is written is dimethyl lithium cuprate. So always you focus on the formula, dimethyl lithium cuprate. Here copper is coming. So this is with the C, I am correlating Corey-House reaction. What is Corey-House reaction? By reagent you are identifying. So what is the nature of reaction? Starting with the alkyl halide. Here it is, the point is from the alkyl halide with the 2 carbon plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So you are getting product of hydrocarbon 3. Here it is the example for preparation of odd number of electron. Because always we are telling even to one equation is available to prepare odd number is your Corey-House reaction. That is the specialty of this reaction. Next we are moving to the here what is hydrolysis of water of whom? What is it called? Grignard reagent, that is called RMGX. It is very important one. Hydrolysis with the water or the alcohol. Here RMGX written, water is written, here medium is the dry ether. So what is the thing is from RMGX or methyl group with the hydrogen, what the product we are getting is methane. So what is the knowledge is here R of RMGX, that is written here, R of RMGX coming as a hydrocarbon. Here methyl is methane, ethyl mean ethane, propane mean propane. Don't worry about that, either the whatever alcohol is given with that the preparation of alkane is over children. So like that you have to prepare the chart for the alkane. So following videos I will upload for everyone. So like that approximately one topic is containing 75 equation. I meant hydrocarbon. So overall we are having the organic chemistry. The topics are I am writing together hydrocarbon, then haloalkanes and arene, then the what is it called as the alcohol, then carbonyl compound, then it is where amine. These 5 chapters you are having approximately 10 questions are coming. So very important, 10 into 4 you are getting the 40 marks. So for this 5 chapter exclusively you have to prepare like this. This is point number 1. For everything I will put the videos continuously. So subscribe my videos and follow it. Final instruction, this is like that you prepare on a single sheet and paste it in your house at your wherever you are moving, in your bedroom or the hall, wherever using more place to your height, you paste it on the wall. So whenever you are going across it, you can have a glance, make it thorough. Your family members like your brother, sister, your father, mother, anybody can ask the question simply. Then you can, like a fun method, you can learn chemistry. Thank you children.